going to show you how to make Branzino, Mediterranean sea bass with crispy skin and fresh sautéed spinach. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need a Branzino, which is about a pound. It's been butterflied and kept together at the tail. Little flour for dusting, some sea salt, and some extra virgin olive oil. And for the spinach, some fresh spinach, garlic clove, some extra virgin olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. You'll need a heated sauté pan. Coat the bottom with some extra virgin olive oil. Lightly dust the Branzino on both sides and sear on one side. After a few minutes, one side is crispy. We turn it over. You want to place it in the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes. In the heated sauté pan, we've coated the bottom with some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to add just a couple of smashed garlic cloves to the oil. Let that cook for a little bit, and then we add our fresh spinach. The Branzino is ready to be taken out of the oven. We add just a little bit of sea salt on that crispy skin, some extra virgin olive oil, place it on the plate. Add that beautiful fresh spinach with garlic and olive oil to the dish, and you're ready to enjoy. Buon appetito!